Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Nikita and there's no such any kind of name for my YouTube channel, so that's why just welcome to my channel. And I'm just here to share you something that I get a lot of compliment with my hair. Like wherever I go, people tell me that you have a beautiful hair and all that, and I'll become happy when people tell that. But when they ask me the question that how do you maintain your hair, there's no answer for it because I never do anything for my hair. I just leave it as it is. So see this hair, it's tangled and it's not combed for 2 days. Like I did not comb my hair also, so just for my video I just did like this and I'm here to make video. So I'm such a lazy kind of person that I don't do anything for my hair. I did not do anything. And then when people ask, I don't have any answer. That's what I told. But before 1 week in my home, I was telling that I'm bored of my long hair. See, I have long hair and I'm bored of it. And I said that I'm going to chop it off till here. Okay. So in my family, everyone love my hair more than I do. So they said, no, don't cut your hair. Do not cut it. This is the beauty of you. You look beautiful with long hair. And I was thinking that I look beautiful even with short hair. I look beautiful. So that's just a kind of self-love or something. So yeah, that was happening. And so before 1 week, I was very serious that I'm going to cut my hair. Then yeah, that topic went as it went. And then today morning, I was surprised. I got a parcel in my home. And I saw that parcel, and that was, wait a minute, let me show you. So this is it. So this is the gift my brother gifted me. So yeah, I told that I'm going to cut my hair, so they got me this product so that I fall in love with my hair. And they told me that if I use this product, I'll never tell that I'm going to cut my hair. So I'm going to see that. Okay. So at background you'll be hearing few noises that my brother, he's playing some kind of games. So I can't tell him to be quiet or something. So yeah, just ignore that noises. So we are going to do an unboxing video for this. We are going to see what is in this. Okay. So let's see. So come on guys, let's open it. And secretly I wanted to buy Dyson, but that's not under budget. So I will make videos, and if my videos start earning money, I will buy Dyson and make video out of it. Okay guys, so let's open this. This is somewhat like Dyson only. All the thing it is here, but it is just Havells. So yeah. So first thing, it is something, this one. Actually guys, I don't know to use anything of it because I have never used any kind of these products, right? So I never bought it, so I don't know what are the things it will be inside. And even to use that product, I have to see the YouTube videos or something, so I don't know anything about it. So just let's see. And for every product how to use, we will see in YouTube, and I will try. Okay, so this is the first thing I got inside this. I don't know what is this. I really don't know what should we do with this. So if you know, you can just comment it guys. Tell me what is it. This is something I got. Maybe this is some kind of handle or something. So we will see. At last even the description or something will be there, right? So by using that we can see what are the things it is. This is 5-in-1 no guys. So hair styler 5-in-1. So this is curler or something. Yeah, I will explain it after seeing the description. I'll just show you what is inside, and then later I will just read that and I will tell you how should we use that or something. Okay, so this is the thing I got inside. This is waste. Okay, here's the main thing guys. Here's the main thing. We have to attach everything to this only. So this is the main thing. So in this, what are the one is curler, one is straightener, and one is, the product is good guys. It's good, it's not damaged or something. The unboxing was before doing unboxing, I saw that the box was already opened, so I was scared that whether I will not get anything or not. So that's what. This is volumizer or something, I guess. Hairstyler volumizer. See guys, this one. See, this is strong. It's nice. Maybe even the Dyson products are going to be same like this only, but we have to attach this in that, and we have to do it like this. And this is volumizer or something, right? So yeah, I'm loving it. So I'm not going to cut my hair after this, I guess, but who knows. See, this is, I guess this is volumizer. I don't know the name of the product, so I don't know what to do. This is, what is this? If I would have used, if I would have bought something earlier or something, I would have known the name of the products. I don't know what are these. I even don't know how to attach all these things. And if will my hair get more damaged or something, because I did not do anything for my hair and it's so sensitive. And just tell me that to use all these products, should we use any cream or gel or something to our hair or what? If you know anything about it, please let me know. And the next is this one. Everything is actually like same. So what is the thing I have to do? Like one is curler, I guess. Everything is actually looking same, guys. So what is this now? I think only after seeing description, only after reading something, I will find out what to do. Yeah, this is the thing. And yeah, that's it. And here is something. So guys, why is everything looking same to me? Yeah, this is all okay. So I will show you everything. So this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3, this is 4. How is it 5 in 1? I think this is dryer. What? This is 5, and this is like to hold my hair or what. I think, yeah, that's it. And this is the main product. We have to attach all these things to this one, and we have to use it. Yeah, so this is it, guys. And now let's just read this or something. Let's read this, whatever it's written over here. There's a guarantee for 6 months or something. 6-month guarantee. That's it. Just a 6-month guarantee. There's nothing. How to use, nothing is here. So this was the unboxing video of Havells 5-in-1 styler, air care styler. So it was good, but I don't know how to use it, so that's why I couldn't give you any kind of review of that product. And if you know how to use it, you can tell me that. And then yeah, if you like my videos, if you want to see my videos, I am going to post it regularly, at least 2 videos per week or something. I will post anything related to something that you like it. So yeah, please do like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned. I will not disappoint you. I will add nice kind of videos. I will try to grow. So that's what I'm going to tell. So yeah, thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and please do comment about this product. And that's all. This is, I just thought that this is duplicate of Dyson or something, but same kind of product, right? So that's it. So thank you guys. Stay tuned. Bye.